Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Career Guide Placement Solution. So today I will be discussing about the Wipro joining update, the recent screenshot or the recent news that is circulating in the various group of Telegram or WhatsApp. So you guys were texting me that clarify this, that whether Wipro have release the phase 2 onboarding or not, or which batch onboarding date is published. And one more thing, there is a survey form that is given by the Wipro team in your mail ID. So how to fill that form, whether we will get any response after filling that form or not. Also the January 2024, that is the date that we are noticing that is coming up, onboarding, virtual onboarding date. So either it is a true or it is a fake news. So I will discuss every details, every point in this video. So watch the video till end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's begin with the video. First I will show you the screenshot that is circulating in various groups. So yeah, this is the screenshot, campus hiring onboarding updates. Welcome to Wipro virtual onboarding day 17 January. So here there is a name, then resume number. Greetings from Wipro. We are pleased to inform you that your joining on Wipro is scheduled on 22nd January. In order for a successful joining in Wipro, we would like to onboard you virtually on 17 January. Okay, 17 January for completion of your joining formalities. Then there is keep your laptop and those internet connectivity proper joining. This is the joining link for virtual onboarding, and also the name is given, contact person, that is John, Alan, Neetu, and there is time and virtual onboarding dates. Okay, so this mail was from the Wipro team. So everyone was asking me, this is the mail for which phase 1, phase 2, elite or WILP candidates, which? So I would tell you that this is not for elite candidate, this is for the SIM, that is School of IT Infrastructure, that form that comes up in the superset profile. So it is for the student of those batches. Some of the students of SIM have received this mail, not all. Okay, and this is not for the elite, not for WILP candidates. So keep that in mind. Don't panic after seeing this mail that you have not received such mail, then what is the issue? So no guys, this is not for the elite or WILP. Elite or WILP candidates, how you will get the joining dates, or when you will get the joining dates, I will tell you. That WILP candidate will prioritize, they have prioritized WILP candidates, so they will get first joining, then elite candidates. As you know that SIM candidate have lower package, then WILP, then elite. So the lower package candidates, they are sending the joining dates earlier. Okay, so I will show you one screenshot of the mail. One of the candidates have mailed to the manager campus of Wipro, and he or she was asking about the joining dates and all. So there was a mail that he or she have received, that we acknowledge the receipt of your email. If you have any issue with document verification or any other queries, then you can fill this link and we will give you a reply within 48 hours. Okay, this was the mail that he or she have received. So this link, this MS Office link, I will attach in the description box of this video. Go and fill the form as per your queries. What are the queries do you have, whether you are from elite or WILP or any other candidates of Wipro waiting for the joining, then you can fill the form. Okay, and one more thing I will tell you, that many of the candidates are waiting for joining for the Wipro for a considerable amount of time. So one news I would tell you guys, that I had a talk with one of the HR of Wipro, and she said that till now elite or WILP, whatever the candidates waiting till now, the confirmation mail or the confirmation dates are not yet decided. So if you receive such mail or if you receive such screenshots of any group, please guys don't trust that screenshot, because if you guys receive any official mail, then only you trust that yes, this is the official mail. And for the phase 2 candidates, I will tell you, all the phase 2 candidates are waiting. So if Wipro has to publish the mail for the pre-joining program, PEP, not for the onboarding, then everybody will get on the same day. and it is not that out of 10 4 will get or 6 will not get. It is not that case. Okay, so don't trust all these fake news that is circulating, and don't panic. If you have trust, if you have patience, then wait for Wipro. Otherwise you can go for any other option as well. So yeah, this was all about today's video. I hope this video was quite helpful to you, and stay tuned to my channel. I will post such update if I get. Thank you for watching today's video. Bye.